Greetings of the day, Goenkans. Hope you all are doing well. This audio lesson is in context with your Mall Science book, Chapter 7, page number 32. Nature, my good friend. As we have already discussed about nature, nature is our good friend. It provides us all the things to live. So we should enjoy nature, but without disturbing its ecological balance. In this audio lesson, we will discuss about different precautionary measures that should be taken to preserve our nature. We can protect our nature by different ways, like avoid using plastic bags and use cloth bags. Recycle and reuse. Harvest rainwater. Use clean forms of energy such as solar and wind energy. Use water wisely and turn off the tap when it is not in use. Avoid using house pipes to clean cars and use a wet cloth. Take care of animals and birds. People cut down trees for their personal use without knowing the consequences of deforestation, as it leads us towards destruction. So we should contribute in number of ways to save trees, not for deforestation. We can save trees by different ways, as avoiding the use of paper whenever feasible, using both sides of paper, using cloth napkins, handkerchief rather than paper napkins, donating books in good condition to juniors in school. Deforestation led us towards destruction. Increase in temperature, increase in floods, climate change, air pollution, all are the consequences of deforestation. We should stop it. Otherwise, Earth may soon become unfit and unsafe for living. We should enjoy nature as shower of blessings from God. We should not disturb it. This is all for today. Thank you.